Hi, I'm Chilton Webb, and today I would like to show you something really I don't know what to say. I honestly think this is the biggest change to education that has happened, certainly in my lifetime, and I'm not exaggerating. Check this out. Okay, this is ChatGPT in interactive text mode. I'm going to click on the little symbol right here, and this is just ChatGPT 4. It's the paid version, but you use the app and not the website. And I'm going to click on this little thing here, and then I'm going to be able to interact with it like a normal person, just like I'm talking to a person. The only trick is it knows everything, and I can basically ask it anything and just learn stuff. Check this out. Tell me how to make a really good scrambled egg.
To make really good scrambled eggs, start with fresh eggs. Beat them in a bowl until they're completely blended. Heat a nonstick pan over medium-low heat and add a bit of butter. Once it's melted, pour in the eggs. Let them sit without stirring for a moment. Then gently stir with a spatula, pushing the eggs from the edges to the center. Continue until they're softly set and slightly runny in places.
Okay, so if I tap,
remove from heat as they'll keep cooking.
Okay, that's cool. Can you tell me about the three-body problem in physics?
The three-body problem in physics is about predicting the motion of three celestial bodies move.
Wait, is the moon and the sun and the earth a three-body problem?
Yes, the interaction between the earth, the moon, and the sun is an example of the three-body problem. Each of these celestial bodies exerts a gravitational force on the others, influencing their orbits and motion. Here's the tricky part. While the Earth and Moon can be approximated as a two-body problem, where the Earth's gravity primarily influences the Moon's orbit, when you add the Sun, the situation becomes much more complex. The Sun's gravitational pull affects both the Earth and the Moon, altering their orbits and making the whole system a classic example of a three-body problem. This complexity is why predicting precise movements of these bodies over very long periods can be challenging. It's a perfect real-world example of the three-body problem's implications in celestial mechanics. Are you interested in how this affects things like eclipses or tides?
Yeah, actually, I'm very interested in how it affects eclipses, because we've got this eclipse coming next week.
The interaction between the Earth, Moon, and Sun is crucial for eclipses. Eclipses happen due to the alignment of these three bodies. In a solar eclipse, the Moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, blocking the Sun's light. This can only happen during a new moon when the Sun and Moon are in.
Wait a minute, wait. Is there an eclipse where the Sun passes between the Earth and the Moon?
No, there isn't an eclipse where the Sun passes between the Earth and the Moon. That scenario can't happen due to the positions and sizes of these celestial bodies in our solar system. Here's how it works. The Sun is at the center of our solar system, and both the Earth and the Moon orbit around it. The Earth orbits the Sun, and the Moon orbits the Earth. Since the Sun is much larger and further away, it remains in a relatively fixed...
Hey, what's a good way to prove that the Earth is not flat?
A good way to prove the Earth is not flat involves observing natural phenomena that only make sense with a round Earth. For example, consider time zones. The Sun rises and sets at different times around the world. If Earth were flat, we'd expect uniform sunlight, but instead we see a gradual change in daylight consistent with a spherical Earth. Another way is to observe the horizon, especially at sea. As a ship sails away, it appears to gradually disappear bottom first, consistent with a curved surface.
So when you hit this button over here, you can pause it, and it's going to mute this so it doesn't hear anything you're talking about. And as you can see, you can ask it anything you want. You can dig into topics deeper and basically just have conversations with it. I've been using this for the past week to learn about protein synthesis, just because a friend of mine knows a lot about it, and I'd like to be able to have more intelligent conversations with him about this stuff. It's taught me a ton of stuff that I did not know about protein synthesis. I still have problems saying that word. But it's really cool. And if you're trying to learn something, especially if you're kind of an autodidact and you like to learn stuff on your own, this tool is incredible. It knows pretty much everything, and you can learn anything from it just by talking to it. So wanted to show you that. It's really cool. It's out there already. It's been out for a long time, and I've been using the heck out of it. I love it. It's easily the coolest thing that's happened to my phone in forever. Yeah, this is just the regular version of ChatGPT, and you can get it on the iOS and the Android stores. Thanks. Have a good night. And in the comments, please let me know what you think. Let me know if you used it for this kind of thing, or if you've used it for learning anything. I'm curious about it as a learning tool. Thanks, and have a great day.